ये जवानी है दीवानी, हाँ मेरी जानी, रुक जाओ रानी. Hello everyone, it's me Sampurna Karmakar, and if you are seeing this face for the first time, don't forget to consider subscribing, but only after watching this video and only if you like. So for today's video we are going to do the full face of makeup from purple.com, lekin with a twist. We will use their cheapest makeup. So I will put the screen recording here or here for your reference. So I will take a category, for example foundation or concealer, and I will go to the sort by and select price low to high, और जो सबसे पहला प्रोडक्ट होगा I will have to use that. ठीक है, very simple. So it will be the first impression as well. Without any further ado, चलते हैं वीडियो में. Okay, I have washed my face. I have applied the toner. Now I will prep my face, and for that I'll be using the Pond's moisturizer. ये मैंने बोल रखा है बहुत बार, तो अप्लाई कर लेते हैं इसको जल्दी से. I have also applied the lip balm from Blue Heaven, जो मैंने पर्पल हॉल में दिखाया था. Link is in the I button. Please do check it out. For the first step, I'm going to use the primer from Insight Cosmetics. That is how this looks. This is the outer packaging. It's their pore minimizer primer. I think ये Benefit का copy है, if I'm not wrong. This was for 110 लिखा हुआ है, but मैंने सेल पे लिया था तो ये I think 80 का था. कितना छोटा है. This is so cute. चलो let's see if this works. Oh, okay. Oh, nice. The texture is good. और इसने pores actually minimize कर दिया है. I think it is the better Insight का primer than the one that I bought from their site. Site का जो मैंने वीडियो किया था, that will also be linked in the description and the I button. So for foundation, I'm going to use Blue Heaven Oil Control Matte Foundation for normal to oily skin. I am a dry skin type, but मैंने बहुत अच्छे से प्रेप कर लिया है स्किन को, so I think ये ज़्यादा ड्राई नहीं करना चाहिए, although I'm just hoping for the best. But this retails for 100, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, but I bought it for I'm sure 80 or 90. This smells like बचपन के cosmetics. मतलब we used to get those. It's smelling exactly like that. Damp sponge lake. Not bad. It is a very sheer coverage. 80 रुपए में और क्या मेकअप मिलेगा. I was like not even expecting इतना सा भी coverage. Moving on to the concealer. For concealer, this is the Stay Quirky का concealer, and this is so chotu. This is even smaller than this one. Can you see? This is so chotu. So this is their Hide My Hickey concealer minis. Hickey. And this retails for rupees 99. I bought it for rupees 89. Oh. Okay, let's see. Okay, ये ऐसा हो गया. That is funny. Not bad at all. सस्ते प्रोडक्ट्स भी अच्छे होते हैं, बट आई जस्ट होप ये पैची होना ना स्टार्ट हो जाए. फॉर आईब्रोज आई हैव Blue Heaven का Walk Free Eyebrow Definer Long Stay in the shade Dark Grey. It is. निकलने में टाइम लग रहा है. I think it is fairly pigmented. So I'm going to clean this with same concealer. Eyebrows are done. Moving on to the eyeshadow. I have Blue Heaven का this eyeshadow palette, Blush on Glitters eye glitters. 12 in 1. इसका क्या मतलब वो मुझे पता नहीं है. दिस इज मेंशनड 135 बट मुझे ये 100 रुपीज़ में मिला था. सो 100 रुपीज़ में एक आई शेडो पैलेट मिल रहा है. ओके, दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. LKG में जब डांस करते थे तो ये कुछ वैसा दिख रहा है. दिस इज़ द पैलेट. देयर आर 12 कलर्स. कलर पे ऑफ का पता नहीं है. लेट्स सी. आई एम गोइंग टू टेक दिस कलर, this green and red. Okay, ऐसा दिख रहा है. Let's see the swatches. Oh, fairly pigmented, although green दिख नहीं रहा है but और ये एक्चुअली स्टेन छोड़ रहा है. आई एम गोइंग टू टेक दिस शेड एंड ब्लेंड इट ऑन माई क्रीज. ओके, काफी पिगमेंटेड. दिस वॉज फेयरली पिगमेंटेड. थोड़ा सा येलो लेते हैं. इसका बहुत ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेशन नहीं था. ये येलो का ना हर पैलेट में थोड़ा दिक्कत रहता है बट इसमें फिर भी दिख रहा है. आई एम गोइंग टू टेक द ब्लू. नाउ आई विल टेक दिस green shade, applied just in the corners. Okay, I told you green का. I will scratch it थोड़ा सा. फिर भी नहीं आ रहा. This blue and deposit in the corner. Nice. Let's take this purple shade. I will take this lilac kind of shade जो कि कैमरा में पिंक दिख रहा है और ये बहुत ग्लिटरी है. I'm going to place it right there. Okay, this is also not pigmented. And take this golden shade and just place it in the corners. कल भी रहा है. I don't think so. Okay, I have applied 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, what have I done? I'm just taking my brush and going ham on this. Fallout भी है but that is okay. But कुछ तो I deposit हो. Let's take this shade right here जो कि कैमरे में रेड दिख रहा है but है magenta and I'm going to deposit it here. Am I going to use it often? I don't think so क्योंकि थोड़ा मेहनत है इसमें. Moving on. Now we are going to set our face with the compact. I just hope it's good. It is by Bella Woste or Bella Woste. I don't know how to pronounce this. I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. I'm in the they didn't have many shades. Picked up this almond dew, or this is how it looks. ऐसा है ये. Okay, now before moving on to the blush, I have to contour my face, and the cheapest contour that they had was by NYBay. Their contour stick वो मेरे पास पहले से था, so I did not purchase it. I love this contour stick. Like, moving on to the blush, I have their Blue Heavens shimmer matte blush. That doesn't even make sense. If it's matte, how can it be shimmer? And if it's shimmer, how can it be matte? But they've named it so. Alright, done with the blush. Not bad, I would say. वैसे भी मुझे ओवरली पिगमेंटेड ब्लश पसंद नहीं है क्योंकि फिर उनको it becomes very tacky to work with them. So I quite like this one. I think it was for 70 or 75 rupees. Okay, so for highlighter I have Bella Woste, again not pronouncing it correctly, the Illuminizing highlighter. ये stick highlighter है. This looks exactly like that NY Beka contour stick. Oh my god, the smell. The highlighter was quite good. It is a very subtle highlighter. Moving on to the liner and kajal. So for kajal I have this NY Beka Long Island water resistant smudge proof deep intense kohl eye pencil. I have bought this in green shade. For liner I have again NY Base eyeliner. This retails for rupees 48, not even 50 rupees. This is an okay product. Nothing like wow or amazing about it, but itna sasta hai yaar. Alright, done with the liner. Moving on to the mascara. For mascara I have the mascara from Gala of London. This mascara was only for rupees 99. This is how it looks. It's a fair mascara, again okayish product. कुछ ज़्यादा किया नहीं है. You can see the difference. कुछ नहीं है. Righty, done with the mascara. Moving on to the lipstick. I have their Insight Cosmetics non-transfer lip color. This is in the shade 11 Coffee Command. The shade is so good. For eyelashes I have their GUBB, I don't know how to pronounce this again, Gub, whatever. It's their lashes Be Beautiful Inside Out Eyelash Classic. These lashes are very like plasticky. I will put on my eyelashes off camera and be right back. Okay, so I am back. I have put on my lashes. बाल थोड़ा सा ठीक कर लिया है. I have put a cute little bow. It is from an Instagram store. I'll link that in the description box as well. Okay, for the last product, that is the setting spray, I have their Ronzile Fix Plus Matte. It's Ronzilla or Ronzile, I'm not sure. Again, with the pronunciation. Matte Fix Plus Fixer Face Spray Plus Prep Prime Long Lasting Hydrate Makeup Setting Spray. Okay, this is how it looks. And I'm gonna spray. I think this makeup turned out to be pretty good. Did not expect it. Yeah, and so you have reached till the end. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to consider subscribing and liking this video. Do share it if you like. And I will see you next time. Till then, bye.